Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Before we get started on the top 24 careers for the self-employed, let's take a look at some income opportunities which fit our existing circumstances. Example, there will be an outpouring of corporations and the U.S. government seeking plastic utensils in the near future, if not already. The airlines has already said that they will no longer use reusable utensils on the aircraft. Now, if you can go out into the world and find durable plastic utensils and purchase at a wholesale price, and then resell to the airlines and or the U.S. government, you can earn yourself a substantial profit. Another idea is, in the fashion world, masks that match the purse or handbag and shoes for women is the newest trend. Stylish face mask is a must for stylish women. This market is wide open and you can sell online. People are already doing it big time, even right here on YouTube. The thing is, for those of you looking for a niche on YouTube, how to prepare delicious meals without meat is the upcoming thing. Of course, it would help if you love cooking. In fact, I have a domain name for sale, videoinmykitchen.com. Real cheap. Just message me in the comment section if you're interested. I've had it for years and I'm not going to do anything with it. But I know that there is a need for people to learn how to prepare excellent, delicious meals without meat. Another great career move for these times is starting a grocery delivery business. The success in your ability lies in your ability to attend to details for 4 to 6 clients a day and deliver the right products while wearing and using protective gear. It's highly recommended that you use a sliding scale for your fees and that you have a lower fee for senior citizens. Online entertainment is another hot niche. I'm an author, and when Amazon cut the royalty checks of authors, I was heartbroken until I decided to put my short stories on YouTube in the format of audiobooks. This is a great way to gain exposure as an author. Any form of entertainment is a great outlet for you and your viewers. Even a fashion show where each model shows the outfit from their home. You can talk about the pricing, details of the garment, etc. online. This is a hot topic on Facebook. Gaming will and always will be popular. If you want to join this craze trend, you can take courses on Udemy to learn how to code games for adults and kids. Now, let's take a look at the normal top careers for the self-employed. In this video, I'm going to share with you an article that I found on MSN. I will leave the link below the video so that you can take a look at the details. But I found this article extremely important because it shares the top careers for the self-employed. Now, I know some of you may be looking for alternatives in your income or the ways that you earn income due to the most recent events that has occurred in the world. Therefore, I want to give you a heads up on what are some of the more popular self-employed careers. Are you ready? Let's go. Food service managers, construction managers, real estate sales agents, managers, all other types, massage therapists, and I would think this would be a go-to massage therapist or a mobile massage therapist, clinical counseling and school psychologists, taxi drivers and chauffeurs, construction labor workers, management analysis, carpenters, interpreters and translators, landscaping and groundskeeping workers, vets, plumbers, substance abuse counselors, non-farm animal caretakers, lawyers, web developers, first-line supervisors of construction trades and extraction workers, coaches and scouts, medical and health service managers, first-line supervisors of personal service workers, financial managers, manicurists and pedicurists,